Runway ground, good morning. We show ready 1264.
The Queenstown Airport is a critical international and domestic hub for the Queenstown and Central Otago region. Tourism is the lifeblood of Queenstown, and the extended hours of operation and capacity supports the tourism growth that we're seeing, and also provides our tourists with many more options to travel to and from the region.
Planning is a critical part of this project. Each shift we've got a set amount of time. We have to be off the runway by 5 o'clock, so everything is planned by clockwork.
We get into the compound here, and at 5:30 in the evening we assemble our trucks and everything at the asphalt plant. Once we know when the last flight's in, we know our timescale for getting out there. We go through the gate at 6:30. Immediately upon getting out there, we have 2 1-metre milling machines, get straight into place, cut our end joints and start scabbling the surface, ready for a membrane seal. We then have our surveyors out there who give us the survey levels. We kick off paving around the 8 o'clock mark. As soon as we kick off paving, the plant then speeds up to the 130 tonnes per hour. Following the paving activity at around that 2:30 mark, there's the whole fog clean up where we clean our area before we walk off and get the runway ready to be handed back over to the airport operations.
Downer's put a really good team together for this project. It involves people from all parts of the Downer business. So it's really a real team effort.
As far as projects go, the level of quality was excellent. The safety record and safety standards maintained on site were excellent, and that's reflected in the results that they achieved over that period of time. And Queenstown Airport, we're very proud and happy to say that the project was completed on time and on budget.